How to use Pure Dating app. In this quick video, I'm going to provide you additional details or method for you to get started and use the Pure Dating application. Now, to use the Pure Dating anonymous dating app, you must download it. So if you go ahead and pull up your Google Play Store, like on this one, and then look for the Pure Dating app. Now here, if it's not visible here, if the application is not available here, that means that Pure Dating application is not actually available to operate in your country or region. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is to create an account. And then once you've successfully created an account, all you have to do next is to subscribe for Pure queries and active auto renewing subscriptions for access. Create an ad instead of a traditional profile. You post an ad describing what you're looking for, which acts as your introduction to others. You can also try to use the filters to see only verified profiles for added security, a feature highlighting a push for safer, more authentic connections according to Pure App Press. It's very easy to use, and that is how you use Pure Dating app.